Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video on the channel. Today's video we're going to be unboxing the iPhone 12. Let's get started. Alright, so here we have the iPhone 12. This is the black version with the 64 gigabytes. And we're going to start with the unboxing. So I'll just do a satisfying peel of this piece on the back. Open this up. Let's recycle that plastic because we gotta save the oceans and the turtles and stuff. And then get this opening. Oh yeah, there we go. Whew. There's the iPhone 12 right here. And also in the box, we have the charger. And just like all new iPhones and Apple products, no charging block. So let's grab the phone real quick. And then get this satisfying peel on the front. Yeah, there we go. Maybe we can see ourselves right there. But, yeah. There it is. If you guys enjoyed the video, please leave a like, subscribe, comment down below, share it with your friends. Until next time, goodbye.